Welcome to EasyMorph training presented by EasyLytics. Today we will look at the Sandbox functionality. We will copy and paste data from Excel into EasyMorph, complete a couple of transformations, including split columns, and once we've done, copy and paste the data back into Excel. A Sandbox creates a temporary table. It will typically be used for once-off calculations. Let's jump into it. I received this file and was asked to help to split out this column A into 3 columns, as well as to quickly add the regional ID to this. To start off with, I opened my EasyMorph Go to Main project, and what I will be using today is the Sandbox. Sandbox is a temporary storage of data. So I select the data, I right mouse click copy and go back to the main data area, right mouse click and paste, and you will see this is the Sandbox that's been created to temporarily host that data. I do not want to import it, I just want to use it as is. I'm going to execute a couple of actions on here. The first one, I want to take out any duplicate rows, and you can see I started off with 4 columns, 2,253 rows. I'm now at 4 columns, 2,249 rows. The second part that I would like to do is to split this column, and I'm going to add an action, and it's called split delimited text into columns. The column that I will be splitting is the population area. I will use a pipe. I'm not going to keep the column. You may keep the column if you wish to. And the first one is going to be region ID. The second column is going to be area ID, and the third column is going to be area. Now I apply it, and immediately the column is split into those 3 columns that I specify. Now I would like to link in some data, and if I just briefly look at, this is my region, where my region data is hosted. I just drag it in, and I would like to bring this data, these 2 columns, across here. The Sandbox, I add an action, and the action is merge. I will then say in this table region ID is equal to reg ID, and I'm just going to look up for every element in this specific file, and I'll bring across the region and the state, and I'll apply it. So there's the region and the state, and now I would like to take my data back. I select the first column, keep down my shift key, select the last column, right mouse click, copy values, go back to my Excel spreadsheet, open up a new and Control V, and there is my data. There you can find your data, copy and paste, and you can work with the data set. Thanks for watching. Please visit our website easylytics.com.au or send us an email, support@easylytics.com.au. If you would like to see similar videos, please subscribe to our channel. Until next time, see you soon.